Hi, everybody.
Hi.
What are all these balloons for?
Peyton's birthday.
How old are you, Peyton?
5.
Can you show me 5, Quinlan? No, that's 4. That's 5. Good job.
Here's a balloon. I know. These are home balloons.
I see.
Mommy, can I make another one with a string? Okay, I love Billy. Can I do another
Yes,
one?
Marshall, go.
Yes. I know this one with this yellow. Give me it. It's over here.
Emery, what color balloon do you have?
I have blue.
I can't hear you, Emery. Where did you go? Peekaboo. That's Auntie Emery.
Marshall got mine.
That's Auntie Emery. Peekaboo.
Marshall has my pink.
Where's Emery again? Where are you, big boy? Up, I guess he just went peekaboo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Peyton. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Good job. Yay! Let's see, what did you get, Peyton? You can open it.
Oh, she's open one at a time.
A doll. What else?
It's not big. That is bacon. I don't want it. It says hair Peyton.
Emery could fit in that bag.
Yeah, we know that. It's Fancy Nancy book. Yeah.
Ooh, Fancy Nancy.
No.
Wow, you got so many nice things.
Wait, Marshall.
What do you say, Peyton?
Peyton, open that one.
Okay, let's see the next one. Wait, Marshall and Quinlan, it is Peyton's birthday. Emery, no.
Okay. Only Dad.
What is that? Peyton? It's an outfit.
Wait, hold it by the hanger. Hold it by the top of the hanger. Oh, wait, it's tangled on that. Wait, wait a second. Wait. Okay, there we go. See, it goes like this.
That's her.
Wow, that's pretty fancy, Peyton. Isn't that pretty? What do you say, Peyton?
You're welcome.
And what's this?
The flippin' frog again.
Oh, look what you got for your birthday too!
Yeah, because it needs batteries, so I made sure.
Pick up
Don't have a thing, I can't
batteries!
use it.
Yeah. Hey, we see what are these two?
Those are fancy dress-up gloves.
What's in there, Emery?
Oh, look.
It's a doll. But that's Peyton's.
You baked it, This is
nice.
You want to open it for her?
Okay, Peyton, open your cards. Hey, Marshall, let her open it.
No, those are yours. They are babies. No, that is babies. They are yours. Wow. They just has it. What it is.
What is it, Peyton?
Don't add me up. Don't.
Oh, these are
It's a card. Let's see what it says. It says, it's your special day. Then inside it says, okay. It says, Peyton, today's a day for fancy. Fancy slippers, fancy gown. A day when birthday magic turns the whole world upside down. Today's a day for dreaming when wishes do come true. A day for sweet surprises. Yes, today is a day for you. Happy 5th birthday. Love, Mommy, Daddy, Marshall, Quinlan, and Emery. And what's this one? Whoa, that's a pretty fancy card. Who's that one from?
Marshall.
What does it say on the back of it?
I don't know.
It says, Happy birthday, Peyton. Say thank you.
Thank you. Can I put it on mine?
Yeah, go ahead.
Can you put it on me, Nana? Like this?
Yes.
You know, did you notice that the white one's
And if you need help, I'll help you.
to help me. I'm gonna put some on my neck. It's my birthday.
There you go. How's the cake, Marshall?
I'm not eating the cake, I'm eating ice cream.
How's the ice cream? Hazel, shh. See, I got you on camera too.
Yeah.
How is it, Quinny?
Bad.
You don't know?
Say bad.
Hey, Peyton, did you try the cake and ice cream yet?
No.
Nope, not yet? Okay, well let me know.
Now these ones go out too? Okay.